Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. We have another listing. This is 10,859 square meters. Clean title. Located in Barangay Bagakay, Talibon, Bohol. With an finished house. Kanang balay nga wala pa mahuman. So, it is owned by a Filipina with a foreigner husband. So this is unfinished house. Wala pa mahuman. Then they are going to sell. So the price is 8,500,000 pesos, negotiable. Reason for selling: the wife is moving abroad, join her husband. So pasabot na ko guys, ang asawa mo larga sa gawas, mo adto sa iyang bana. So that is the main reason. Then nobody will take care of their house. Then they are not also from Talibon. They are from Dumaguete. So mana no. This is the wife. So Talibon is approximately 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City, and Bagakay is approximately 9 kilometers from town proper, almost the boundary of Itapi, Bohol. The good thing is the property is in the interior and it's a very quiet place. There are also other foreigners who bought property beside of this property but not yet develop their house. So nanay mga foreigner po nakapalit dolls sa balay pero wala pa maka-develop. Then there is also another one nag land development. They have started the land development. The place is near to the school, public school, and beaches. Then Bagakay also is nearer to Hitapi, where there are so many ferry or boats going to Cebu City. So sabot na ko guys na ay mga daghang bangka or even ocean jet going to Cebu City. Then Hitapi and Bagakay is just only around 20 minutes drive from it's 20 minutes drive. Then this is near to the highway. Doon po this highway guys. Approximately more or less nasa mga 500 meters away from National Highway or less than. So it has also a deep well guys. Unfinished, wag yapon mahuman, but she promised to finish the deep well before the turnover of the house. The house is livable, pwede mapuyan, and it has already an electricity. So it is almost complete. According to the foreigner, they have already spent more than 3 million of the house. So plus the land. The land, they are counting near to this land. The price was already at 1,000 pesos per square meter. So, kuan guys, medyo, so ilan na pong gikwinta. They are counting also their expenses or development. So this is the house guys, interior not yet finished but livable. So that is the situation. Gamay na lay po anan, pero I think you will spend more or less mga kuan po siguro na kay mga additional million ani, okay na. So the good thing, they put a beam on the on the top. Gibutangan lag beam sa ibabaw. That is according to the wife, it's really very strong, no? Ligon. Ilag yun nang kuan. But malagi wa man nila tapos yun. So decided to sell their property. So this is the neighborhood, no? They are going to starting to land development. They heard that it will have a house also. And this is the road right of way. Beside of this kuan, they have paid already for the road. Ilan na nagibayran ang kalsada. So no problem yun guys. The good thing is kuan lang yun, nindot siya puyan because you can live well, no? Because it is interior, can sleep well. Katog yung kagtarong. Okay, it's a little bit far from the road. And it has again, it has a road right access, road right of way. Here comes the drone video. Actually guys, if you convert this house into 2-story or 3-story, this is the situation. You can see the view of the sea. So because it's elevated, so meaning it's a sea view if you can have the 2-story. So the roofing, no, it's a color roof. Ligon baga nga sin, thick ang yang atop. The roof is thick, it's color roof. So you can see, no, it's like in the middle of the jungle. Naas to nga guys, honestly na, like, ato lang gikuan, pero it's nice because it's secluded, no? Nagigasto nga, nindot kayo kay way silingan. Kinsa tong gusto way silingan dah kini. Nay silingan gamay lang. But there is a school, no, public school and kuan approximately mga 50 meters away. Dool ra baya pod ang eskwelahan. 50 meters away. Public school, elementary and high school. So mo na siya guys. So that is the house. Then they promise, no, to finish the deep well. So imagine this is 10,000 square meters plus, so 1 hectare. So dool ra gini siya sa dagat po guys, more or less na sa mga 1 kilometer away from the beaches in Bagakay, Talibon, Bohol. So mao ni guys. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. So, mo-process mo transfer of title. So, naagit no? Makita lagi nato, no? Pero, honestly, the place is safe. No problem with the place. Safety ra gyud ang lugar. So another drone video. This is the neighborhood, no. Tapad ra gyud ni beside of the property. Nag-land dev na sila guys, land development. So kuan na nana po'y mutukod nga balay. There is already a heavy equipment. Local people na sila guys, dili foreigner, pero wala sugod na, okay ni. Naglandeb na sila. So it's really nice. Maayo sad ni. So depende na sa to ang, it depends to our plans nga plano. Talibon again is a progressive town with its shopping malls, commercial centers, hotels, banks. So very progressive. Then in this location, Bagakay area, there are so many foreigners already living in the area. Daghana yung mga foreigner dito guys, honestly lang. Daghana. Napa sa ibabaw, onwards. Because this is nearer to the highway, there are still more foreigners living in the mountain. Actually, there is a place there that is home for the children, no? Managed by a group of foreigners also. Approximately 2 kilometers away from here. So it is called Maranatha. Yan ang mga bata bitaw guys nga walay ginikanan. Nay ginikanan pero mga pobre po din taon ba. Mao na nga napod sila diha magibaklay ra magibaktas ra. They're just walking from the highway going to the place. Nana diha guys, mga group of foreigners supporting the children. Unfortunate, they called it unfortunate. So this is the land development, no, where the road also is traversing. Manay nagsugod na pag trabaho. So another video is the concrete road near to the property, approximately 50 meters good guys away from here, no. So this is the road going to the Maranatha, katong gingon akong home for the children, no. Unfortunate children nana diha guys. libre pa eskwela mo na po diha ang gitawag retreat house, katong mga gitawag og basta retreat, sa tawagan ng murag adto mag-ampo or ay mga meetinganan diha. So nindot na gid kayo ang lugar. Kuan lang daghang kahoy, dinhi mo kayo kuan. There's so many trees. Then cool place. There, especially night time, bugnaw ya. Kan magkahoy. So since it's nearer to the sea, there are fishermen pod also. Daghang isda diha. Barato. So cheaper fish in the area, no? Na sila public market ya. So this is the elementary school. Likod ra gyud aning elementary school, guys. Approximately 50 meters away from here. Mo na ang property atong ginibaligya. Okay. Again, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.